Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aima Chima from AS. I'm honored to be hosting the BCP Metropolitan Azadi Day transmission. On this day, Pakistan came into being. On this day, blood, sweat and tears of all the Muslims finally paid off and they were given the fruit of all their hard work in the shape of this beautiful country that we have today, Pakistan. Let's talk about Azadi. What is Azadi? To me, Azadi is having the right to live the life that you believe in. It is the freedom to practice our faith and having our faces painted green on Independence Day.
I'd like to add on to that. First of all, I'd like to greet all of you. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Makeet and I'm a student of AS and BCP Metropolitan Campus, of course. I welcome all of you to BCP Azadi transmission, and with me is a very well respected personnel. She is very prestigious personnel and she's built up quite a reputation to herself. She is Miss Safia, and thank you for honoring us with your presence today.
Most welcome.
As she said about Azadi, for me Azadi is being able to go to a mosque and pray there and come back in one piece. Being able to safely pray to your God without others interfering in your business. So I'd like to ask you a question about that, ma'am. What does Azadi mean to you?
I completely agree with what both of you have said, that Azadi means to be physically independent, to be free of fear and to be able to do what you want to do. But I think over the period of years, the meaning of Azadi has also evolved. The meaning of independence has also evolved. It's just not about being independent physically. It's also about being independent mentally, not being influenced by other people and not being influenced by certain community or under being pressurized by other people. So it's very important to have your own thoughts, to have your own goals, to have your own vision. That's what Azadi is to me.
Excellently said, ma'am. Especially your point of perspective on mental freedom. While we're talking about perspectives, I'd like to ask you about your perspective on the effectiveness of our education system on teaching the values of citizenship to the generations.
I think a lot of people still feel that the schools are not doing justification when it comes to teaching citizenship. Well, I don't agree with that because I think a lot of things have changed and we need to change according to the requirements of the world and according to the requirements of the time. So, what all is the requirement, we have to adapt to that. And the meaning of citizenship has changed. The meaning of patriotism has changed. I take pride in, and a lot of pride when I see my students doing really well in terms of grades, in terms of starting their own small businesses and then converting them into something huge, and when I see them as great leaders in their own capacity and being amazing individuals. I think that's teaching them citizenship. That's teaching them being individuals, very proud individuals, and that's all what I conclude as teaching citizenship.
Eloquently said, ma'am. I completely agree with you on that point, and I stand with you with what you said. I'd like to ask you one last question, if you may. What is your hope for the future of Pakistan?
I'm very hopeful, and I would like to remain hopeful because I'm surrounded by students like all of you.
MashaAllah.
And it doesn't mean that we are overburdening you or we just want to pressurize you or something. We have done our part, but we haven't been able to do it as much as we could have. I think because we were not as bright as you all are, and we were not as resilient as you all are, but you all are more resilient and more bright, and you're brighter certainly, and you all are intelligent, and most importantly you all have our support. So we would like to see you really doing great for this country, and We wish you all the best, and I'm sure we will see Pakistan doing really well.
Inshallah, inshallah.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone for watching this, and I hope to see you again later. Allah Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.